evenings fell, I traced the fog with shaking hands, and write your name where no one stands. The fire died without a sound, yet ash still dances on the ground. How can a room still hold your air when you are nowhere, anywhere? And every drop against the glass returns a world that could not last. If you hear me in the rain, follow every tear I gave. Find the voice beneath the storm, still calling out your name. If the sky remembers us, if the night still cares enough, then come to me through shattered clouds and love me once again. I kept your coat beside the door, though you won't need it anymore. The seasons changed, but not this room. It blooms in grief, it blooms in gloom. I hear your footsteps in the hall, but silence reaches me instead. How cruel to dream